What if your everyday spending could help you invest? We all shop, right? Groceries, clothes, that new tech gadget you've been eyeing. But what if every time you bought something, a little bit of that money automatically went into your investment portfolio? That's the core idea behind Raiz Rewards. Raiz is a micro-investing app that helps you invest small amounts of money. While they're well known for their roundup feature, which invests your spare change, Raiz Rewards is another powerful tool they offer to help you save and invest without even thinking about it. So, what exactly is it? Raiz Rewards is a cashback loyalty program. But instead of the cashback going into your bank account, it's invested directly into your Raiz investment account. It's a way for brands to give back to their customers and for you to grow your wealth just by shopping with them. It's like a brand is saying, "Thanks for shopping with us, here's a little investment on the house." So, how do you get this cashback? It's pretty straightforward. First, you need a Raiz account. Once you're set up, you can access Raiz Rewards through the app or a browser extension. The app has a list of all their partner brands, which are constantly growing. When you want to shop, you simply click on the brand you want to buy from through the Raiz app. This links your purchase to your Raiz account. For in-store shopping, you can link your credit or debit card, and the rewards will be automatically tracked when you use that card at a participating retailer. The process is seamless. The brand pays a commission to Raiz for the sale, and Raiz uses that commission to buy shares on your behalf and invest them into your portfolio. The reward can be a percentage of your purchase or a fixed dollar amount. The best part? It's not a points system. It's real money, invested directly for you. You can track all your pending and invested rewards in the Raiz app. It typically takes a little time for the reward to show up and be invested, but it's a passive way to boost your investments over time. By using Raiz Rewards for your regular purchases, you're not just spending money, you're also building your future. It's an easy way to turn your normal shopping habits into a powerful financial habit.